Some things in life are bad, they can really make you mad. Other things just make you swear and curse. When you're chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle, and this will help things turn out for the best. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you have forgotten. That's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing. And always look on the bright side of life. And always look on the light side of life. For life is quite absurd, and death the final word. You must always first second with the bow, yeah. Forget about your sin, give the audience a grin. Enjoy it, it's your last chance anyhow. And always look on the bright side of life. And always look on the light side of life. Life's a piece of shit when you look at it. Life's a laugh and death's a joke, it's true. You see, it's all a show, keep it laughing as you go. Just remember that's the last laugh is on you. Yeah, always look a bright side on your life. Yeah. Come on guys, cheer up. Worst things happen as tea, you know. I mean, what have you got to lose? Nothing. Look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. Always look on the light side